Hi, this is Untitled Pro today with a 2016 Renault Kangoo stock number 6065. It's ran from the night 2013 and the second 2022. Here's a K9K 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a K9K 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left-hand door mirror. Left-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door 1 crease, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headline needs polish, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, head front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.